Welcome to the video series on cyber infrastructure produced by the Organizing, Communication and Technology (OCT) Research Group. In these videos, we will discuss what cyber infrastructure is, who uses it, and how we research it. So, how do scientists tackle big scientific problems and accomplish big breakthroughs today? How do they map the solar system, sequence the human genome, and find new drugs to cure diseases? The answer is cyber infrastructure. The word cyber infrastructure can be a little intimidating, but once we break it down, you will see it is not that complicated. We define cyber infrastructure as a system of people and technologies brought together by communication to perform computational analyses of big data in order to achieve breakthrough science and solve large-scale problems. So what does this look like? Let's take a closer look. It can start with a scientist. This scientist in California stumbles upon a big scientific problem. This idea is so big and requires such a huge amount of data, she can't do it alone. To investigate the problem, the scientist needs fast computers, technical expertise, and new ways to model the data. Then she meets a programmer at a conference in Colorado. He introduces her to a software developer in Texas and a data analyst in Illinois who would like to help her. The developer in Texas then connects her over email with two other scientists in related fields in New York and Florida who would like to collaborate on solving the problem. Then, the supercomputing center administrator at her university says he would help too to find access to computing resources. A national team has come together around the scientist's idea. Eventually, the team reaches out to the National Science Foundation, or NSF. The NSF wants the team to solve the problem using cyber infrastructure. So they give this collaboration resources like funding to hire capable people across multiple disciplines. Now the scientist has technologies and a big team across the country all working together on her big scientific problem. A cyber infrastructure outreach expert in Boston learns about the team, and he uses their new analytic technology as an example at the next national conference to help spread the word and point others to their software. Shortly after, more scientists try out the technology and refine it for their own uses, which improves her analysis as well because better software means better results. In these ways, their tools and scientific findings can benefit all of us. Pretty cool, right? But cyber infrastructure cannot exist without communication to spread the word and help people organize. They meet face-to-face and use familiar tools like email, and specialized ones like supercomputers and open source software for their scientific analysis to help their project analyze big data collected from remote sensors and various instruments. So, to sum up, cyber infrastructure and communication creates teams and partners around the world all working together on advancing scientific breakthroughs with big data. If you like this video, watch our second in the series, which looks at the different types of people involved in cyber infrastructure.